In this video we will see about the modulation technique. Modulation, the definition of the modulation is that it converting the digital data into the voice or analog and vice versa by changing one or more properties of the analog wave, that is the amplitude, phase or the frequency. First is the amplitude modulation. In the amplitude modulation, the data are represented using the different amplitudes. Means 0 is represented by the suppose 0 volt, and 1 is represented by the higher volt, that is the 10 volt. So in this example, the bit values are 0 1 0 1 0 1 and 1 1. So how this thing is represented into the amplitude modulation, the amplitudes are only changed, the phase and the frequency are remain as it is. So 0 is represented by the 5 volt, so that is the 5 volt of the 0. 1 is represented by the 10 watt, so this is the representation of the 1 volt. The third bit value is the 0. 0 is represented by the lower volt, that is the 5 volt. Then the fourth element is the 1. 1 is represented by 10 volt, high volt, and fifth element is the 0. 0 is represented by the lower volt. So this scenario is continue according to the bit value. If the bit value is 0, then it is represented by the low volt, that is the 5 volt, and if the bit value is 1, then it is represented by higher volt, that is the 10 watt. The advantage of this mechanism is that it is easy to implement, but these techniques having the drawbacks, like if the channel is very noisy, then it become very complex task to detect or correct an error during the data transmission. Say for example, this is the original data transmission. After transmission, this data having the noise, so this is the resultant output of the data with the noise. So in this one we cannot easily determine where is exactly error or noise in this data. So if you check very carefully the amplitude as well as the this width, this width with this one, so there is the something different in it. See the last portion of this one into the original data, and this is the data with the noise. So it is difficult to find out the error into the amplitude modulation, especially for the analog signaling. While this thing is represented using the digital signaling, then the error finding is become easy. Suppose the values are the 0 1 0 1 0 1 1, then 1 is represented by plus 5 volt and 0 is represented by minus 5 volt. So first element is the 0. 0 is represented by the minus 5 volt. 1 is represented by 5 plus 5 volt. 0 is represented by minus 5. 1 plus 5, 0 minus 5, and last two elements are 1 1 represented by the plus 5 volt respectively. Suppose after traveling some distance or into the data transmission, if this thing having the error or noise, then this original values or data or wave convert in this resultant output with noise. So 0 is now convert with noise like this. Second element is the 1. 1 is convert in this fashion. 0 is convert in this one with noise. So this is the original data and this is the resultant data with noise. So it is easy to detect the error into the digital signaling, because anyone can say that this one is the 0, this upper part is the 1, lower part represent 0, upper part represent 1, this one is the 0, and these are the first and second 1 1. So error detection and correcting into the digital signaling is easy. Second is the frequency modulation. It required the two different frequency to represent 0 and 1. Means suppose our in our example there is the data 0 1 0 1 0 1, we want to send it. So 0 is represented by something higher frequency than the 1, so it has the more oscillations compared to the 1, and 1 has the less oscillation to represent compared to the 0. In this figure, 0 having suppose the bit value is 0, then it is represented by the 3 oscillations. If the bit value is 1, then it is represented by the 2 oscillations. Then the third element is the 0, so it is represented by the 3 oscillation, that is called as the frequency, and the same scenario is go ahead. So into the frequency modulation, the frequency are changed 0 having the 3 oscillations, for example, and 1 having the less oscillations, for example, that is the 2. But the amplitude, see in this figure, the amplitude of 1 and 0 are always constant, or they never get changed. In the amplitude modulation, the amplitude of the 0 and 1, that is the different. Third is the phase modulation. Into the phase or the direction of the waves are changed. So in this example, the example cover the data bit value 0 and 0 1 0. See, first element is the 0. 0 is represent into the lower part, and now its change, its shape or phase is convert into the 180 degree. So the effect of this 0 into the 180 degree is the exactly opposite of it. So this one is the change into the frequency. Here amplitude and the frequency are remain as it is. Third element, second element is the 1. So 1 represent into the higher voltage or upper one. Now this one 1 has its 180 degree effect. So this is the original one, and its 180 degree effect, it is in the below part. So this is the 180 degree phase change into the 1. And last element is the 0. 0 is represented into the lower part, then its 180 degree change, phase change, it is this one. So that is called as the phase modulation. In it, the phase of the values are changed, but the amplitude as well as the frequency are remain as it is. Thank you.